athlete needed for the improvement. So it refers to description, we can say detail analysis and assessment of the human movement during sports activity. We are doing this through the mechanics. Basically, it is the branch of physics we are concerning. We can describe about the motion or movement, we can say, and how the force and movement take place. In other words, we can say sport in that way. If it is moving, how it is moving, and what is the cause of that. Okay, in sports and exercise, that definition is often extended and to also consider the interaction between performer and the equipment and environment. You can give the example of this interaction performer and their equipment and environment. Any example for this? Any? You can give any example for this? Hello?
यस सर, जैसे कि कोई सर एनी एथलीट है जो कि ग्राउंड वहाँ का सराउंडिंग सही नहीं है तो सर अच्छे से नहीं कर पाएगा. एंड सर जो बेसिकली जो स्प्रिंटर्स होते हैं दे रिक्वायर स्टार्टर फॉर देयर प्रैक्टिस सर, फॉर गुड स्टार्ट. एंड सर अगर स्टार्टर नहीं है तो सर इतनी अच्छी प्रैक्टिस नहीं हो पाएगी.
हाँ ठीक है, गुड, वेरी गुड.
और सर जैसे हम स्ट्राइड्स लगाते हैं वार्म अप के लिए, थोड़ा स्ट्राइड्स लगाते हैं तो सर अगर ग्राउंड टेढ़ा मेढ़ा है, हल्का फुल्का गड्ढा भी है तो सर इंजरी के चांसेस बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ जाते हैं.
हाँ, दैट मीन्स द एनवायरनमेंट एंड द इक्विपमेंट, वी कैन से ट्रैक. थोड़ा भी गड्ढा होगा वो गिर जाएगा. वाइल रनिंग 100 मीटर आपने देखा होगा कभी कभी ट्रैक ऊंचा नीचा होता है.
यस सर.
और थोड़ा सा ऊंचा नीचा से ही उसका प्रॉब्लम आ जाएगा. वेरी गुड सौरभ.
ओके.
Now this is performer, equipment and their environment. You can see तुम cricket match, everyone see cricket match. Cricket you can see. Nowadays they are playing the match mostly during day and night. You can see in 2020 floodlight they goes. And what is the problem now? After winning the toss, what you want? You see the second inning bowler, they keep rubbing the ball because it is getting wet every time. So what will happen to this? The spinner bowler is, spinners will not able to spin that ball because grip will be not coming now. So they keep wiping with towels and all. You can see that, and it has become wet. Now if you are playing football in a while rain is there and now wet, okay, or you can see everyone you must have, because you are practicing in one environment at say swimming pool, so you know the swimming pool of yours. Whenever you do swimming, you know, and sometime by like in swimming you do taking the turns, you know after how many strokes that pool will be coming, you are going to take the turns and moving. But when we are going to a new setting, you have to practice in that setting. Why? Because you need to practice, otherwise you will not know the environment. Whenever international matches are taking place nowadays, you can see those practice matches going on. World Cup cricket, you have seen that matches, any matches, you know about that?
Yes sir. Yes sir.
So why that practice matches is going on? You can able to adjust in the setting, whether it is weather. See, after going, whenever international matches take place, you go from one place to another. Your time zone is changing. It may be if you are going to from north side to south, above the equator and below the equator, the weather is opposite. We are in India moving towards the winter, but if you go to Australia, they are moving towards the summer. You know this?
Yes sir.
So when we are moving from one zone to another, the problems are there. Equipment, you have to practice. Now you have seen, you must have heard about the controversy of the javelin player, that Pakistani javelin player, the athlete, he was touching the Indian javelin, that Chopra's javelin and
Yes
all
sir.
that.
Yes sir.
Yeah, there were so many kahani were there, there were stories were there, he was doing, he wanted to do something and like that. But when you go to an international competition, everything is fixed and the athlete and people know what are the requirement, what they can do, what they can wear, what all thing they don't have to wear, which equipment to use. So that is very important. If any new thing is coming in the international arena, it has to take even 6 months basically. After the 6 month only you can use that. About this setting in cricket, if other teams are coming to India to play, we offer them spinning wicket. What is the spinning wicket? Means the ball will spin more. But when we go to England, Australia, New Zealand, West Indies, they are giving you the fast wicket. The ball will come very fast to you. So with the performer, the problems are so many. You have to adjust accordingly. So you need to adjust, otherwise you will not able to perform very well. Moving further, the application part of that, human performance can be, we can say, enhanced in many way. An effective movement that we can say encompass or it involved anatomical factor, neuromuscular skill, psychological capacity, physiological ability. There are so many things involved. You can see nowadays psychologist is going with you. Okay, so even biomechanics people are going with the team now to analyze the skill of your player as well as the opponent player. They keep looking at you, they keep seeing, and in most tournaments, the best player is taken out during a important match only. Because if they know what he can do, what he can, there was very good example of this. You will be able to understand. You know that cricket player, Muslim cricket player, two brother from Gujarat. You know, remember their name?
नो सर, नेम याद नहीं पता सर.
अरे मुस्लिम कौन था क्रिकेट की टीम में? इरफान पठान है. दूसरा कौन सा पठान है? You don't know?
नो सर, नाम याद नहीं आ रही.
सरायू, you see cricket?
याद नहीं आ रहा.
मुझे भी याद नहीं आ रहा है. मुझे ये याद है कि they are two brothers. Now both in the other brother, he was debut match was World Cup final. You can imagine this 2020 का final में उसका debut हुआ है. Why it has been done? Because the other team will not know who is this man and how he is going to perform. You see that movie, that Olympic medal hockey movie. You have seen that movie? I think it is
Gold. Yes,
Gold,
sir.
no?
Yes sir, yes sir.
In that, Savarji also was sitting for a long time outside and he was very annoyed that I'm not been able to play the match. And he was basically put during the important match in the end.
Yes sir.
So like that, you should. Huh?
यूसुफ पठान.
इरफान पठान सर.
Irfan or Yusuf Pathan, yes.
Yes sir.
Yusuf Pathan, if you see, uska debut was in a World Cup final match. You can imagine this during 2020. हमारा जो कैप्टन था last, he has used him only during the final match. Okay, so that was a tactics part, and that is very difficult for other team to catch them. Nowadays, they keep seeing you, they keep seeing your top performer, bowlers, batsmen, how they perform, how will be their reaction. Like you can imagine, this was the first Olympic where no black people was there. 100 meter.
Yes, sir. Greece, Athens, sir.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
And that happened after a very, very long time, I think. So that is a new things coming up. So sports biomechanics is a we can say is an essential science of movement technique, and we can say and such trend to be most utilized in sports where technique is dominating factor. The most important word is where technique is dominant factor. Where the technique is involved, you have to take the help of sports biomechanics because it is a dominant, we can say, technique rather than physical structure or physiological capacity. Because whatever technique you are going to use, we can analyze it and we can say which is the better one. Because with the help of the mechanics or physics, we can say the science, where the technique is dominating factor in the performance, you have to take the help of sports biomechanics. Okay? So where all we can work on this, the areas we can say, the identification of optimum technique for enhancing sports performance. We have to identify and we can help the players or athlete, we can say. Analysis of body loading to determine the safe method for performing a particular sports or we can say a task. What all loading is there? Let's say much load has to be taken, and it is a very important factor because athlete while doing, if they have been given challenge, they can perform anything, and after that they might get an injury. So and during loading also it is very important. And we can say assessment of muscular recruitment and loading, how much muscle can take the bear the stress and how much it can be taken, otherwise you might get injury. You can see nowadays so many shoes are coming, surfaces are coming, rackets are coming. How this is? This is the basically through mechanics only we are able to say. Nowadays hockey shoes is different than the football shoes, and it is different than the cricket shoes and different than the athlete shoes. So if I'm taking the shoes only, so there are so many different type of shoes, and nowadays for different surfaces different shoes are being made. You know about these shoes while playing badminton? Non-marker shoes. You know what is a non-marker shoes? Anyone?
No, sir.
You don't know? Nowadays the surfaces are coming up. You cannot wear any shoes, go and play. Let's say the example of badminton, the courts are basically the wooden one. And nowadays they are putting some surface over it. So you cannot wear any shoes and go. Non-marking means after wearing that, it should not leave a mark on that. Because with the friction, mark or that surface will become smoother. So you should not leave a mark. That's why the word is non-marking shoes.
Yes sir, वो नीचे से उसका बेस सर हल्का रबर टाइप में होता है.
Rubber type में होता है. So that is a non-marking shoes. When you go here also, when you will come, they will not allow you to play with any shoes. You have to bring the non-marking shoes. Racket nowadays are coming. You can see how lightweight it is. You know, somewhere around 80s, wooden rackets were used in India to play badminton. And now it has the wooden racket will have the weight so much. You can imagine a wooden racket and playing the badminton. Nowadays the racket is so light, it is coming up with the carbon, so that changes with the uh, load and all, we can understand it. I can give you one more good example. You can know Sachin Tendulkar injury. You know what he got? What was Sachin Tendulkar injury? Anyone? You don't know about this?
मे बी सर एल्बो में कुछ।
हाँ, उसका नाम क्या था?
सर पूरी तो ज़्यादा पता नहीं, तो हल्का सा याद है एल्बो में सम कुछ प्रॉब्लम हुआ था।
Okay, Sachin Tendulkar injury was known as tennis elbow. क्या नाम था सचिन तेंदुलकर की इंजरी का?
टेनिस एल्बो।
अब वो तो क्रिकेट खेलता है, उसको टेनिस एल्बो कैसे हो गया?
सर जैसे हिट बॉल हिट कर, मे बी सर बॉल जो।
ओके, हाँ मैं okay, what is a tennis elbow? Let's say whenever tennis player, they used to, मैंने बताया ना वो, it was a wooden racket before, it was very heavy racket was used. So every time they hold a tight grip, the muscle of the elbow joint, close to the elbow joint, basically that is the tricep side. What is happening? These muscle, when we hold, they are continuous in that tighter position. So we can say formation takes place, and that is known as tennis elbow. And it was very prominent injury for the tennis player. Same way Sachin used to play with a heavy bat. And with that heavy bat, what is happening? He is continuously holding it tight. He used to play, practice a lot, during practice also, and during matches and so on. So that holding it, gripping it every time harder, because the heavy bat is there. So that thing happened to Sachin also. And that injury was known as tennis elbow. So what is the problem now? What happened? After that, Sachin was given a lighter bat to play. Because after treating it for a long time, you can see he was wearing in his last days, one band was he used to wear elbow or wrist ke beech mein, and towards the elbow side more. You can see a band was worn because those muscle that is close to the elbow joint, when you hold or you just grip it while sitting, now you just close your fist tighter करके देखो, do that. अपना फिस्ट को, अपनी उंगलियों को, फिस्ट को टाइट ग्रिप करो and see which muscle is acting. Touch towards your elbow side, elbow से wrist के बीच में, hold and see. So that muscle close to behind, you can see. Front side नहीं है, पीछे की side देखो, hold it. You can see the muscle that is going inside your elbow. That muscle, when you hold a tighter grip, it become active. करके देखा? See that? Do that. Tight grip करो, मुट्ठी को तेजी से बंद करो, and hold, keep doing that and see, feel that muscle. You can see पीछे की तरफ elbow joint के अंदर जा रहा है. That muscle basically you can see when you hold it tight for a long time. So it will develop. It is not made to hold that grip, or we can say that muscle is not so. We have not trained it or not trained it to hold for a longer time. Nature has made it to work for a not for a very long time. But if you do that, keep doing that, that muscle is getting a injury type, and that injury was known as tennis elbow. Okay, so all this area we can work out. You can reduce the injuries. You can enhance the performance to the optimum technique we can say. So for enhancing the performance and reducing the injury risk in sports, or we can say exercise. Like you must have heard players are practicing for 4 hours in the morning, 4 hours in the evening. And if you keep doing that and if you're not getting the good diet, because there are so many factors involved. And India, when we consider ourselves a growing nation or third world nation, we can say, we don't have that enough diet and type things, so we can give to the sportsmen. So we have to look after all these factors, and sports biomechanics is the main factor where technique dominating event are there. Okay. Okay then, thank you. That's all for today. I'm sorry because you are not able to see the screen. I'll just figure it out what is the problem.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay then, thank you. Bye. Madam has started class?
No, sir.
And research class?
नो क्लास सर, आपकी क्लास चल रही है बस.
हाँ?
आपकी क्लास चल रही है सर बस.
वो गोपाल सर ने नहीं लिया?
नो सर, किसी ने नहीं लिया अभी तो.
I'll just find out, no?
Okay.
Research and start class, okay? I'll just find out today.
Okay, sir.
The syllabus,
Sorry, I'll just send you, Hari. Within 2 minutes you can see, okay? Okay, I'm just sending. Sorry for that.
Okay, sir.